Hey guys, let's check out GainX 999 and see what we stand to get on this particular platform. But before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose. And of course, if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. It is also important for you guys to know that, okay, the Forex market is a highly volatile market. You can make a lot of money from there and you can lose all. So make sure you know what you're doing very well before you go into it. Let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so we are not using the 3M custom made indicator today. If you are having, congratulations to you guys. It is much more easier for you to use that than for you to use the mobile setup. But for those that are not having, let's see what we can get from here. Okay, so this is on 5 minute time frame. If you should notice, this has actually gotten here and here. Okay, so this is giving us double top, and of course, what does that mean? It means it's going to sell for a while, and it has gotten to this resistance zone. That is another thing. And of course, if you should check the what was it called, the window indicator, you will notice that it has oversold already. Okay, so we expect more selling opportunity, and check out, it has gone below the moving average, so we can come in right now and sell. However, for every order you are taking, there should be a stop loss at the resistance zone, so do not forget to put your stop loss up there. Okay, so how far do we think this is going to sell? Okay, first of all, I expect it to get to this region. Okay, it should get to this region. Okay, so your first TP should be around there. If it breaks out from there, then it should get to these spots, within these spots. Okay, sorry, this and this. Okay, it should get to this spot, guys. Okay, so that is our second TP. Okay, so this is going to be a very long selling opportunity. That is if it breaks out from this particular support zone. Okay, so we expect it to get to this region, and if it breaks out from there, then that means it's going to sell further than that. Okay, so you guys should take advantage of that right from there. This is this very simple trading strategy, just the way I have analyzed. It's got to the resistance zone, which is very important. It's changed the trend right from there. How do I know? Because of the double tops, and if you should check it out, it's giving us the M vibe. Okay, so and it has gotten below this moving average, which gives us a very good entry point. So your stop loss should be at the top right here, so you can sell till it gets to this region. Once it breaks out from there, then you expect it to get to this particular spot. It is as easy as that. Okay guys, if you have more questions, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.